Hello everyone, welcome back to Agri Farming. Today we will be discussing about mango farming in India. Mango is a tropical flowering tree cultivated for its fruits. It is native to South Asia, but now it is cultivated widely in the tropics. It has the status of being the national fruit of India, Pakistan, Philippines, and the national tree of Bangladesh. This tree is cultivated in tropical and warm subtropical climatic zones which are frost-free. Half the mango production is done in India and China is the second largest producer. Almost around 1,000 different varieties of mangoes are found all over the world, which indicate that mango has a special value. It is like a common garden tree in the tropics. Mango farming is a leading practice in India and is generally referred to as king of fruits. The farming of mango is low maintenance agriculture venture. The tree fruit that is obtained from the plant is either used raw or in a ripened form. It is widely consumed for its taste, flavor, and fragrance. This mango farming project consists the detailed information about the farming or cultivation of mango. Now, let's get into the scope and importance of mango fruits. In India, the production of mangoes 151.88 lakh tons annually, and it occupies about 36% of the total area under fruits, that is 22.97 lakh hectares. The states of Uttar Pradesh and Andhra Pradesh have the largest area under mango cultivation. India exports mangoes as well as the pulp of mango in Middle East countries, Bangladesh and Europe. Only two major varieties of mango are exported from India. 40% of total fruit production in India accounts to mango, and there is a large scope for further development and production. Now, let's get into the fruit and its properties. The fruit of mango has nutrition as well as medicinal values in it. It has a pleasant flavor and taste. The farm of mango produces the fruit and some additional products which can be used for different purposes. Mangoes contain carbohydrates, protein, fats, minerals, vitamins. Upon ripening, the concentration of vitamin C decreases and the amount of glucose, fructose, and sucrose increases. The peel and pulp of mango contain several phytochemicals such as triterpene, lupol, etc. The peel of mango contains compounds like provitamin A, beta-carotene, lutein, polyphenols, xanthanoid, etc. Now, let's get into the medicinal uses of mango. A dark infusion is a remedy for mouth infection. Raw mango drink is a remedy to heat stroke and exhaustion. Half-ripe mango can be help solve gastrointestinal disorder when consumed with salt and honey. It can be used to treat night blindness due to the presence of vitamin A. Diarrhea is treated with the flour of dry mango seeds. The fruit sap is useful in treating bee and scorpion bites. Now, let's get into the varieties of mango. There are over 1,000 varieties of mango found all over the world, and India alone has more than 500 varieties. The commercial farming of mango is restricted to only certain type of improved varieties. The variety of commercial trade and domestic use are different. The selection of mango for farming is based on factors such as temperatures, adapt on weather, availability of materials, and market demand. Some of the popular Indian varieties are listed here: Alfonso, Amrapali, Bangalore, Safeda, Deshari, Fizli, Langra, Rampurgola, Samarbhaist Kausa, etc. Some other hybrid varieties are Malika, Ratna, Mangers, Arka Aruna, Arka Punit, Arka Anmol, and Sindhu. Now, the most important thing, that is cultivation. Mango cultivation practices. Suitable soil and climatic conditions for mango are: the mango tree grows well in areas which have cool, dry climate with severe heat during the flowering and fruiting period. It is possible to grow mango trees at the elevation of 1,200 meter above the sea level in tropical zones. The average annual rainfall required for mango farming is 400 to 3,600 mm, and the temperature of the area should be around 24 to 27 degrees Celsius. Alkaline and calcareous soil and heavy soil are suitable for mango farming. The pH of the soil should be in the range of 5.5 to 7.5. However, the trees should produce best on well-drained sandy and gravel soil. Now, let's get into the propagation of mango. The propagation in mango can happen either by seeds or by other vegetative methods. The embryo of the seed decides the quality of the seedling. The polyembryonic seeds produce 3 or 4 seedlings which are different from the parent plant, whereas the monoembryonic seeds produce one seedling different from the parent plant. To produce varieties of mango, grafting is done. The upper part, season of one variety, is joined to the lower part, rootstock of another variety. This process is done generally when the plants are very young, in the nursery stage. The grafting can be done either by cleft graft method or by the whip tongue method. Grafting is generally done in the shade with temperatures around 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. The section of the plant is generally treated with a fungicide or insecticide before getting grafting to avoid diseases. Now, let's get into the land preparation and planting of mango. The land for mango planting should be plowed deeply and leveled properly with gentle slope of drainage. The space between the plants varieties is different areas. The spacing is 10 meter by 10 meter for dry areas, and it is 12 meter by 12 meter in heavy rainfall and rich soil areas. The pits are filled with 20 to 25 kg of FYM, 2.5 kg of super phosphate, and 1 kg of murate of potash mixed with the original soil. 1 year old seedling that have grown in the nursery are transplanted into the main area in the month of July. August, if the area is rain-fed, else transplantation is done in the month of February, March, if irrigation facility is available. Now, let's see the manure and fertilizer requirements of mango tree. Decomposed farmyard manure has to be applied every year to the plants. Fertilization is done in 2 doses, one in October and when the plants are young and the season of flowering would begin. The second dose is even after the harvest the crops in the month of June or July. 3% foliar is needed for the plants where the land is sandy. The age of the mango tree decides the amount of fertilizer required by it. Young plants require 100 gram of nitrogen, 50 gram of phosphate, and 100 gram of potash. The plants which are older than 10 years need high quantities of nutrient such as 1 kg of nitrogen, 500 gram of phosphorus, and 1 kg of potash. In the other important nutrients required for the mango trees are chlorine, boron, copper, iron, manganese, magnesium, zinc, sulfur, and calcium. Now, let's see the irrigation requirement of mango. Irrigation is supplied depending on the soil type and climate of the area. The plants are not irrigated during the monsoon season. Young plants are irrigated at an interval of 2 to 3 days and 4 to 5 days in the dry areas. When the plants are 5 to 8 years old, the irrigation is provided at an interval of 10 to 15 days. During the fruit-bearing stage, the irrigation is provided in 2 to 3 cycles. Intercropping has done in the early years of mango farming so the irrigation has to be adjusted accordingly. The drip irrigation system is highly beneficial and also helps in the fertigation technique. Let's see some of the common occurring diseases of mango tree. The first is anthracnose, second is powdery mildew, the third is dieback, the fourth is blight, the fifth is red rust, the sixth is necrosis, and mango scab and alternaria are the common diseases found in mango plants. All these diseases can be controlled by different processes. For these processes, you should contact to the nearest agriculture department and to their experts. And some of the pests of mango trees are mealybug. It can be controlled by dusting the plants with 2% methyl parathion at 200 gram per plant near the trunk can control the pest. The second is mango hopper. It can be controlled by spraying 0.15% of carbaryl and 0.04% of monocrotophos can keep the pests away. The next is the stem borer. The tunnel is cleaned with hard wire and cotton soaked in kerosene is plugged into it. Now, let's see the harvesting of mango. Fruits of the mango tree should be harvested only when they are fully mature. Early picking can reduce the quality. The maturity of the fruit is known by the following. The first is the skin of the fruit becomes smooth and the soldiers, the beak of the fruits are filled well. The green color of the fruit begins to lighten. The stem of the fruit shrivels and gets easily separated from the fruit. The flesh of the fruit changes from pale white to yellow color. Mature fruits are picked and ripened in crates and baskets. The sap of the fruits should not come in contact with the human skin during picking, otherwise there may be blemish or skin burns. Long stems are used to pick the fruits and are dipped in detergent to avoid sap-related problems. Grafted mango plants bear fruit in 3 to 4 years, but optimum fruits are obtained when the crop reaches 10 to 15 years. Next part is very important, that is post-harvest management of mango. The shelf life of mango is short, so the fruits are cooled to a temperature of 13 degrees Celsius and stored. The process of handling mangoes after harvest includes cleaning, grading, drying, waxing, packing, pre-cooling, pelletizing, and transporting. Fiber boxes are used to pack mangoes, and each carton is packed with 8 to 20 fruits in a single layer. The boxes are chosen such that they have air holes to allow ventilation. It is commonly observed that tree is a vegetative malformation in mango plants at the nursery stage. There is also a possibility of floral malformation and mixed malformation. They are controlled by removing the malformed shoots by spraying 100 ppm of NAA twice in October and November. Junca is identified by the marble-sized fruits at the pinnacle tip and does not increase in size. This can be controlled by spraying jaggery at 10% on the bottom to attract pollinizers. Let's discuss the loans and subsidies for mango farming. Mango farming in rocky areas has provided a subsidy of 1.5 lakh rupees from the Agricultural Department of Mapusa, Goa. Non-rocky areas would also be considered for the subsidy scheme, but the amount will be lower, around 68,000 per hectare. Telangana government is also providing the subsidy of mango farming project report, and it amounts in between rupees 9,840 to 26,880 per hectare. Ministry of Agriculture has implemented a central sector scheme under which subsidy of 25% on the capital cost of marketing and 33.3% of capital cost of each project in northeastern states, hilly areas, and scheduled castes and tribes in sanction. Also, there is one scheme called the Mango Weather Insurance to provide risk management service to the mango cultivators. You must understand the mango farming project report before you enter into commercial mango farming in India. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and please ring the bell button to notify you whenever new video is uploaded. Thank you for watching.